Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Game here, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to disable or enable the shift lock button in your game in Roblox. So let's get started. Alright, so this is very simple. It doesn't need any scripts at all. All you need to do is, if you want to disable your shift lock button, you just scroll down to start a player, then scroll down to enable mouse lock option and untick that. Then players will no longer be able to use shift lock in your game. But if you want to enable it again, you can just tick the box again. Alright, so this is going to be the end of today's short tutorial. So if you did enjoy this video and you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, then make sure you like, subscribe and turn the bell to be notified when another video comes out. Also remember to leave video suggestions in the comment section down below for a shout out on one of my videos. Yeah, that's going to be it for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.